Good morning. I'd love to give you a few notes about music in the service this morning. Before I do that, and before I forget it again, I was asked by someone to remind you all that if you're speaking from the lectern, to please move the little microphone so that it faces your mouth, because then it will pick up your sound, we think. Okay, so we enter a new season, and that means we're changing all of our responses this morning. The good news is you know all of them, so it won't be a problem for you. You just have to be ready for them. So let's just look through and today is really all about hymn tunes. So let's look through together. First response is from the hymn Awake, Awake to Love and Work, and we're singing verse 2, Come Let Thy Voice Be One with Theirs. The next response comes from Now the Green Blade Riseth. We're singing verse 4, When Our Hearts Are Wintry. The third response is Just As I Am, verse 4. You know that one really well. And then lastly, we get to end after the benediction with a lot of joy and energy with Dance Then Wherever You May Be, the refrain from The Lord of the Dance. So before that, there are 3 hymns, and this is a great time to talk about hymns and what's the purpose of a hymn. There are lots of purposes, and there are lots of things that happen for people when they are singing and worshiping together. So we're opening today with hymn 51, and I know anytime I say to the choir, oh, we're going to sing 51, they go, oh, yay! It's the prayer of St. Francis. It's not the prayer of St. Francis, it's the work of St. Francis, and I thought it would be a good way to remember our Pope that has just died, who took St. Francis as the person he wanted to emulate. It's got a lot of joy, a lot of fun. You'll have a great time singing it. Then we go to hymn number 421, Not With Naked Eye, which is a new hymn for us. It's not new. In the hymn world, it's very new, 1989. But we haven't sung it before. It's not at all hard, and it does allude to the scripture today. And I know that you will listen once while I play it once, and then you'll have it. It's not hard. Then we end with Let It Breathe on Me, another hymn, sort of in the hymn world, it's sort of new, 1941. Notice 1941. Let It Breathe on Me. We sing it from time to time, and I play it a lot, and I enjoy it a lot. So sometimes these hymns we sing because we're hurting, and sometimes we sing them because we are looking for an answer, and sometimes we're singing them because much joy that we can't get it out any other way. Those are all good ways to approach the hymns that you're singing. And I hope that you get what you need from the hymn that you're singing at the time. The prelude this morning uses the tune Noël nous volait. Now the Green Blade Rises is the way we sing it most often, but it originally was written for Christmas. Now the Green Blade Rises, so you'll have that tune in your head when it comes time to sing it. And the postlude is a setting of Mit Freudensart, with High Delight, Let Us Unite. One of our congregants years and years ago always used to laugh and say, oh, the Calliope setting. So I hope you enjoyed the Calliope setting.